all new construction, commercial, residential subdivisions. We do enforce all new street lights or added street lights.
This is Jim Stefaniak, City of Phoenix. I work at Plan and Development, electrical plans examiner for streetlights.
We provide a free service as a courtesy review when they first start a project
To verify if they need streetlights
or not, if they're required. So we get a site preliminary from them, and what we do is we'll go and find all the streets that need to be looked at for the requirements.
Well, we'll verify the plans, then we make sure that the pole is set within a foot of the sidewalk. Make sure the pole is aligned. Richard Lopez, Electrical Inspector 2. The J box, which contains the utility power, is within 5 feet of the pole. We make sure that the pole is grounded. The street lights are important because they provide assistance for drivers, pedestrians, cyclists to find their way in the dark, and also security for our citizens.
We do have 1,137 intersections throughout the city. We are in charge of managing all those intersections. Like I said, we do have 271 CCTV cameras. Yeah, Frank Agonani. I am the signal systems specialist at the Traffic Management Center. We're trying to get people on time to work. We're trying to minimize delays at the same time too. And like I said, we're also trying to keep people moving from intersection to intersection. We don't want people to go through the stop and go traffic, meaning you don't want people to stop at every traffic signal. The variables like the length of the road, and that's how we come up with our calculations for the clearances, which is your yield times, your overheads, and your don't walk time. That way we can keep people safe, and at the same time to be able to move traffic. I'm able to impact lives. I'm able to make changes, right? It's just one of those jobs that when you do come in, you don't want to leave.